Hello guys, so now we will be having our topic which is about the lateral if statement and switch case. So we will compare the two on which among the following would be a great choice if there are like three or more choices because we have already discussed the if else statement. So see, if else statement is it's just true and false, no? So what if we will have more choices to choose? So we will be using the switch case or the lateral if statement. An example of that is, so sorry. So again, we will be starting with our preprocessor. So this one is the preprocessor and then the standard. Now since I will be using input and output for my uh, program, I'll be just using the IOStream library. Okay, so I will be creating a menu. Say for example, s- um, s- case one or choice number one would be hello. Okay, so I'll be creating a maximum of four choices for my menu. Okay, so since we will be asking the user guys to choose among the four choices here, we will be using int as our data type and x as our variable. Okay, once again, we will be using int since 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all integers. Now, we are going to also ask the user or, yes, ask the user to put a choice which is or which will be stored in variable x. Next part of that is our if statement. So if x is equal to 1, now we will just be displaying this line, okay? Or guys, you can also change this one. It's like a hidden message. So we can say that the menu here is hidden messages. Pick one number, something like that. And then from 1 to 4, ganito na lang, right? Para mas surprising, no? So the user will be choosing one number, and then if x is equal to 1, so we will be saying hello, buddy. So yeah, so a message like that, no? Else if, notice also that I did a lateral or I did this one, no? Giladder na ko siya so that um it is more readable. The code is readable. Now if x is equal to 2, we will be adding another kind of message. So if else if x equal to x equals 2, so the message would be hello, how are you doing? Or how are you doing? Now if it's 3, then we can say what's up? And the last choice, which is 4, today is a beautiful day. Now, let's understand each statements here. Okay, also notice the readability of my program. No pa ladder siya, as you can see. And di ba remember this is an operator, right? So you are comparing x, which is entered by the user, to the numbers after them. So for example, you will be asked, no? So since you will be asked here and you type 2, so therefore 2 is not equal to 1, so this is false. It will jump here to this statement. So therefore, it will compare here and this now will be true. So therefore, it will display this message inside the curly braces. Now, do not forget that if we enter number 5 here, then what will happen, sir? Diba, there is no 5 in our menu. So therefore, what we will do is else. So therefore, hindi 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, but 5, 6, 7, 8, 0, as long as the numbers are not included in our comparing, so that will be in a else statement. Else statement would be, please pick the correct number. Alright, then do not forget the return 0. Okay, so let's try if our program will run. Save. So pick a file name. Hold on. Okay, there's an error message here because we forgot to put semicolon. Okay, it's running, but you cannot see it here. Hold on, I will change the display. Um, let's try to run the program again and then choose the entire screen na lang. Okay, hold on. Okay, so here it is. Let's try to choose 4. Okay, so today is a beautiful day. Now, let's try 5. So please pick the correct number. Now, what I want, guys, is if our program is running without letting or without um okay, so what I mean is I want our program na mag-run until uh, wala na to siya ginahilabtan, okay? So ang pasabot nako is, for example, you entered number 1. So or let's create this back here. Notice, go to nag-bold siya, right? So that means it's one function of C++. Okay, so what will happen if I press 1? Okay, it went back. It went back, but notice, but I want our, what do you call this? I want our program na mag-clear ang kani, no? Mag-clear screen siya para kanin na lang ang makita. So we have this syntax. Okay, so let's put system pause, then system CLS. Now if I pick 1, so hello buddy, press any key to continue. So if you press any key, it will go back to the screen. So again, I'll press 1 ha. So after pressing 1, it displayed hello buddy. And then this press any key to continue is the system pause. And then after pressing any key, system CLS will act up. So pag pressing any key, mag-clear ang screen and then it goes back rather to this portion. Because we started here, gilagay natin yung back dito, so babalik siya dito. and do the process again. Entire process. So therefore, all of this one, lagyan natin ng pause and CLS and go back para our program will not terminate by itself. So which means that everything is continuous. So if I instruct on your exam na dapat continuous ang program, na dapat natay button i-click para mag-close siya certain number. So dapat follow na to instructions. Okay, let's say 3. What's up? Press any key to continue. 4. Today's a beautiful day. Press any key to continue. 6. All right. Now, let's put 5 here para natay button to exit. So else if so nothing will happen, so just ganyan niya lang, no? So let's try if it will work. Sorry. Oops. We forgot end line here. Okay, let's press 5 since I want us to exit. So, exit siya. Later on, I will teach you on how to use ASCII codes as to, for example, press 0 to exit, press 1, or press 0 or 1 to exit, or any number to exit. So I will be teaching you how to use ASCII codes for that one. For now, you'll be using the basics. Now, this is it for the lateral if statement. Okay, so what is the difference between this one and the switch case? Now, let's use the switch case. Let's erase everything. Okay, so switch case is easier. So switch X. So si X dito will be compared here. Do not forget this curly braces. So case 1. Do not forget in switch case 1, it's colon. Okay? So what messages did we do kanina? So see out, hello. Hello there. Let's put end line. Then system pause. Okay, system pause and system CLS. Again, to make our program continuous. Then go to back. Ay, yeah. Okay, this is colon ha, colon. Now for case 2, so another message here, hidden message like, how are you doing? So, actually guys, you can do anything, no? Pwede nyo buhat-buhatan ang mga hidden messages. Diri So, for case 3, let's say, what's up? Okay, for case 4, another hidden message, let's say, it's more fun in the Philippines. Why is this there? Okay, case 5. So, ganito po dapat pagka-line ha. Case 1, case 2, and then the messages or the processes are indented. So, case 5 is exit, right? So, do nothing. Now, what's the difference now for case 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? Okay, here's what I also forgot. Every case must have a break. Okay, in this case, since nag-go to back ka na, pwede ka nang walang break. But, let's put break na lang. No? Let's put break every case statement. Do not forget that. And then, switch case. So, default. Which means that if delete 1, delete 2, delete 3, delete 4, Meaning, si default here is ang else sa lateral, if else. So, default, error message. Error. Input the correct number. Okay? And then copy this one more time. Okay? So let's try if it will run. Okay, press 3. What's up? Is it correct? Yes, what's up is correct. Let's press 5. Okay, it exits. What if we press 2? How are you doing? Press 1. Hello there. So this is also if you want to confess not to someone, send them this executable file and put the hidden message each number. Okay, so I hope you understood something from this lesson. Any questions will be catered in my in my Blackboard account and also in our collab session. So thank you for listening. Have a great